Hello, once again I am with you, Mrs. Aarti Shingari from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Ahmednagar. Today we will see the poem Rain. It is from class 2 English NCERT books. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. See, such a small poem, but a beautiful one. Where does all the rain falls? The rain falls everywhere, on the field, on the tree, in the forest, on the sea, in the rivers, on the mountains, everywhere rain falls. New words in this poem you will learn is field, umbrellas, and ships. Question answers. Where does the rain fall? The rain falls in the fields, trees, umbrellas, and ships at the sea. See, you can see the fields, the ship, and the umbrellas. So the rain falls everywhere. What do people use when it rains? You know, every children, that when you come to school during rainy season, when it is raining, then you wear your raincoats, and some children bring their umbrellas. So people use raincoats and umbrella when it rains. See the different colored raincoats, umbrella. See, such a beautiful umbrella. What do you do on a rainy day? We love to play in rain and sail paper boats in flowing water. We play indoor games when it rains. So we love to play in rain. See here, paper boat. Children love to sail the boats in the water. How do you keep yourself dry in rainy season? Again, same question. We use umbrellas and raincoats when we go out in rains. So we keep ourselves dry. We do not get wet. Opposite of dry is wet. We do not get wet by using our umbrellas and raincoats. Do you like to play in water? Obviously, yes. I love to play in water. Say what things live in water. See, you can see in the picture, many things are there. Fish, crocodile, tortoise, starfish, crabs, and many other animals and plants live in water. There is one puzzle in the textbook, children. There are pictures given and alphabets given. Some letters are given. You have to fill in the letters to make the complete word. Now in the first picture you can see here S, then two dash are then and the W. So first, what is the first word? It is snow. S-N-O-W, snow. Then second word cloud. Here you can see C-L, then O-U and D. So cloud. Third word is star. Here you can see the picture of star. So S-T-A-N-R, star. Moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Here you can see here M-O-O-N, moon. Sun. Where can you see the sun here? Here you can see the sun. So S-U-N, sun. Dust. You can see here dust, see dust particles. D-U-S and T, dust. Light. L-I, here you can see L-I-G-H-T. Here you can see light. This light, how it does it spell? L-I-G-H-T, light. Now the words away, day, play, they are rhyming words. Now here you can see there are rhyming words with in, then ot, and then own. So you have to use in, you have to put red color, own yellow color, and not with blue color. We will see the words. See, in, pin, spin, tin, fin. With ot, not, dot, spot, hot, caught, and pot. And with the yellow color, brown, down, brown, crown, clown, frown, and gown. So these are the words with in, ot, ot, and own, own. Now in these four pictures, there are different pictures, and you have to name. These are all water bodies, all sources of water. So you have to name the pictures. The ship is sailing on the, naturally it is sea. Here you can see sea, SEAC, very large body of water. From the mountains, what comes from the mountains, down the mountains? Yes, river. The river comes, so first is sea and then the river comes down the mountains. The duck is swimming in the, where does the duck swim? In the pond. And where does the frog live? It lives in the lake. So sea, river, pond, and lake. So children, you are enjoying my lessons, I know very well. Enjoy it, and please do like them. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe my channel and see all the videos.